Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Play internal testing for Android beta step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Play console website. Log in using your developer account credentials. Once logged in, select your application from the list. In the left-hand menu, go to the testing section. Click on Internal Testing. Here, you'll see an option to create a new internal test. Select Create Internal Test. Enter a name for your testing track. Next, add testers by entering their email addresses. Ensure these testers have Google accounts. Scroll down and choose your application version. Upload the APK or app bundle you want to test. Make sure to include a release note for your testers. Click on Save to proceed. Review all the settings you have configured. Once confirmed, click on Start Rollout to Internal Testing. Now, your internal test track is active. You will receive a link to share with your testers. Distribute this link to those who will participate in the testing. Testers will need to opt in using the provided link. Once they opt in, they can download the app from the Play Store. Monitor feedback and bugs reported by your testers. Make necessary updates to improve your application based on their input. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.